Items in the recipe can be adjusted. The baking soda can be up to 1 teaspoon. Salt can be sprinkled over the brittle after the brittle has been smoothed out on the pan. The cooking temperature should be on medium to lower heat, so as not to burn the butter. Measure out all of the ingredients before you start to cook. Add sugar, water, dark syrup, and butter to the pot. Bring the ingredients up to a slow simmer and cook until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pot from heat. Add the peanuts and stir until mixed. Add the baking soda and mix well, about 15 seconds. Pour the mixture onto a greased pan and smooth out until the desired thickness has been reached. Add a light sprinkling of salt over the brittle to enhance the flavor. Let the brittle cool until it is hard, and then break into pieces. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your fabulous homemade peanut brittle.